Hi everybody, this is your girl Stephanie Renee and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at this synthetic wig. I dyed it myself, so if you want to see the process, stay tuned and keep watching. I started with the Rit fabric dye that I've seen everybody using. I decided to mix the colors Peacock Green and Sapphire Blue to make like a nice little turquoise color. Now I couldn't forget my gloves because I knew this process was going to get pretty messy and I was not trying to mess up my nails. I took a garbage bag and cut it in half and covered up the sink so that we could avoid any extra mess. Next, I take my bleach blonde wig that I purchased from my local beauty supply. I will try to find the brand, but I kind of threw away the box, so sorry guys. I did a little test strip just to see how the colors would look, and then I decided to do a bunch of little streaks just to see if it added a different effect. This was my first time doing this, so I figured I would experiment a little and have some fun with it. I brought about 4 cups of water to a boil, and then I poured in my Peacock Green fabric dye, and I made sure that every last drop was out because you know we thrifty around here. Then I just went in with a splash of the Sapphire Blue just to make sure I didn't oversaturate it. Then I just dunked her right on in and hoped for the best. After fully submerging the wig, I added a little extra blue so I could get that perfect color I was envisioning. I wanted to make sure it was getting all the strands, so I went in with my comb and combed it out just a little bit, and that was a little difficult, but I made it work. My girl wasn't giving me the blues, so I had to add a splash more. Now she was looking pretty close to perfect, but I had a little bit of blue left over, so I decided to pour the remainder on it in hopes that it made a streaking effect, but it didn't. After letting the wig sit for several hours, it looked like that was going to be my biggest color payoff, so I decided to wring her out and I rinsed her with cold water. I just knew I was going to find a way to make a mess. Please don't be like me. Make sure there's no holes in your bag. But look on the bright side, I dyed my first synthetic wig and I love the color. I made sure everything looked even, then I let it dry overnight. The rest of this is just going to be me securing the wig. Surprisingly, the lace didn't dye almost at all, so I didn't have to manipulate it. Now, since this wig isn't a full frontal lace wig, I had to be really careful with pulling out my baby hair so that it didn't show any tracks. While I was laying down my front, I decided to trim my baby hairs and my sideburns. Ooh, now look at that little curly sideburn. I did that. As you can see, I was already loving this look. It was giving me all the feels. And the reveal, that looks pretty good. Now I'm just gonna go in with my edge control and get those edges nice and swoopy. Next, I do one more quick wrap just to lay down my baby hairs, and ta-da! And here's the end result. So much fun creating this look, and I really hope everyone enjoyed it just as much as I did. So please leave your comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.